Hi, my name is Jay Christkow. I'm the Director of Technology for a pre-K through 8th grade school district in northern Wisconsin. We have about 130 cameras installed in our system, and they're all purchased through and with the advice of Ray Shadman at Originally Digital Deals, Custom Video Surveillance, and we've been extremely happy, both with the cameras, the performance of the software. We use Milestone software. We use Dahua cameras primarily, but a few Axis and a couple of Aerocons mixed in. And we've been extremely happy with both the support we get from Ray and also for the advice we get from Ray in terms of what type of products to buy. The software is easy to use. It's very powerful, so the more you learn about it, the more benefit you get from it, but you don't have to know a lot to make it do everything you generally want it to do. We've been a customer for about 10 years, and we'll continue to be a customer in the future. Can't say enough about it because it's a very important part of our school. We use cameras for discipline, but we also use them for safety. We use them for tracking assets and all sorts of different functions. And in the event of an emergency, they're extremely important because they help us reconstruct what had happened prior to the event and then follow the event. So again, we're very happy. We're pleased to work with Ray and Custom Video Security, and we're going to continue to work with them.